Lesson: Ensuring data quality and integrity in AI projects. Ensuring data quality and integrity in AI projects is a critical component of successful AI implementation. Data is the foundation of AI systems. It drives the learning process and influences the outputs produced by these models. Poor data quality can lead to biased, inaccurate, or unreliable AI systems, which can have significant negative impacts on decision-making processes. Ensuring data quality involves various activities, including data cleaning, validation, and verification, each of which plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the data used in AI projects. Data quality begins with understanding the characteristics of the data being utilized. This involves assessing the completeness, consistency, accuracy, validity, and timeliness of the data. Completeness ensures that all necessary data points are available, whereas consistency refers to the uniformity of data formats and structures across datasets. Accuracy is paramount, as it determines the correctness of data points, while validity ensures the data conforms to the rules and constraints set for it. Timeliness is also essential, as outdated data can lead to irrelevant insights. One practical tool for assessing data quality is the Data Quality Assessment Framework, which provides a structured approach to evaluate data across these dimensions. DQAF involves a systematic process that includes profiling the data to discover anomalies and patterns, defining metrics for quality dimensions, and setting thresholds for acceptable data quality. For example, a case study involving a retail company implementing AI-driven sales forecasting revealed that by using DQAF, the company could identify and rectify inconsistencies in sales data, leading to improved forecasting accuracy and increased sales by 15%. Data cleaning is a critical step in ensuring data quality, which involves identifying and correcting errors in the data. Tools such as OpenRefine, a powerful open-source tool, can be utilized for cleaning messy data by clustering similar entries, transforming data formats, and removing duplicates. In practice, an organization might use OpenRefine to clean customer feedback data by standardizing date formats and rectifying misspelled words, thereby improving the quality of the data fed into sentiment analysis models. This practice not only enhances the model's accuracy, but also ensures that the insights derived are reliable and actionable. Validation and verification are processes that ensure data integrity by checking the accuracy and consistency of data over its lifecycle. Data validation involves applying rules and constraints to ensure data is entered correctly, while verification ensures data remains accurate and consistent over time. Implementing validation checks using frameworks like Apache NiFi can automate the process, allowing for real-time data validation. Apache NiFi facilitates the building of data flows, incorporating validation rules that cleanse data as it streams into the system. For instance, a healthcare provider using Apache NiFi could validate patient records against standardized formats and codes, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and improving patient care outcomes. Data governance is another critical aspect of maintaining data quality and integrity. It involves establishing policies, procedures, and responsibilities to manage the data lifecycle effectively. A robust data governance framework ensures accountability, transparency, and compliance with regulatory standards. Implementing data governance frameworks, such as the DAMA-DMBOK, helps organizations structure their data governance efforts. DAMA-DBOK provides guidelines on data quality management, metadata management, and data stewardship, ensuring data is managed as a valuable organizational asset. For example, a financial institution implementing DAMA-DBOK can ensure data accuracy and integrity, reducing the risk of regulatory fines and enhancing decision-making processes. Moreover, the integration of AI ethics into data quality practices is essential. Ethical AI practices ensure that data is collected, processed, and used responsibly, minimizing bias and ensuring fairness. Techniques such as fairness-aware data preprocessing can be implemented to mitigate bias in datasets. This involves using algorithms to identify and adjust for potential biases before data is used to train AI models. For instance, in a recruitment AI system, fairness-aware preprocessing can adjust for gender bias in historical hiring data, ensuring the AI model provides equitable hiring recommendations. In addition to these tools and frameworks, continuous monitoring and auditing of data processes are essential to maintain data quality over time. Implementing automated monitoring systems using platforms like Datadog can provide real-time insights into data quality metrics, alerting organizations to potential issues before they impact AI models. By continuously monitoring data pipelines, organizations can proactively address anomalies and maintain high data quality standards. In practice, a telecommunications company might use Datadog to monitor network data streams for anomalies, ensuring that the AI models predicting network usage patterns are accurate and reliable. This proactive approach not only enhances the performance of AI models, but also ensures that the insights derived are actionable and aligned with business objectives. Statistics further emphasize the importance of data quality in AI projects. According to a study by IBM, poor data quality costs the U.S. economy around $3.1 trillion annually, highlighting the financial implications of data errors and inaccuracies. Moreover, research by Gartner suggests that organizations with poor data quality processes experience an average cost of $14.2 million annually due to lost opportunities and inefficiencies. In conclusion, ensuring data quality and integrity in AI projects is a multifaceted process that requires a comprehensive approach. By leveraging tools such as the Data Quality Assessment Framework, OpenRefine, Apache NiFi, and Datadog, organizations can implement effective data quality and integrity practices. Frameworks such as DAMA DMBOK provide structured guidance on managing data as a valuable asset, while incorporating AI ethics ensures responsible data use. Continuous monitoring and auditing further enhance data quality, ensuring AI models produce reliable and actionable insights. By prioritizing data quality, organizations can unlock the full potential of AI technologies, driving innovation and achieving strategic objectives.